In the third exercise that I'm going to give you, you will tick the correct word. Again, 2 words will be given. You tick the read aloud to yourself and you tick the right word from the bracket. Okay. Tick the right word. Tick the right word from the bracket. From the bracket. Tick the right word from the bracket. Okay? Now I'll put up the sentences for you and then we'll tick the correct word together. First one, the ship. The ship. Sank. Drowned. And all the sailors were sunk, drowned. Okay. Next, Columbus. Columbus invented, discovered, invented, discovered America. Okay. Next, the prisoner, the prisoner. The prisoner refused, refused, denied, refused, denied the charge. The charge. Next, he is not. He is not eligible. For the post. For the post. His dealings are his. dealings. His dealings are fair. Fair. Do not spit. Do not spit on the floor. Seventh one. Freedom, liberty, or liberty, freedom is our birthright. Birthright. Next. All his farmer, former, friends, former friends have left him. Teaching. Teaching is an honorary, honorable, profession. Who is the honor, who is the owner of this building? Okay, I have the 10 sentences for you here. And what we are going to do here is pick the right word from the brackets. Now, the ship sank, drowned, and all the sailors were sunk, drowned. Now, what will that be? The ship sank, so we're going to tick. Sank. Ship sank, and all the sailors were drowned. The ship sank, and all the sailors were drowned. Now, Columbus discovered America. He didn't invent, so Columbus discovered. Columbus discovered America. The prisoner denied the charge. The prisoner denied the charge. The prisoner denied. Okay, denied the charge. Next, he is not eligible, not eligible, eligible. He is not eligible for the post. His dealings are fair. His dealings are fair. This is color. F-A-I-R, fair. Now, his dealings are fair. Do not spit on the floor, not flour, on the floor. Liberty, freedom is our birthright. So freedom is our birthright, freedom. All his former friends have left him. All his farmer is a person who tills the ground. All his former friends have left him. Teaching is an honorable profession. Teaching is an honorable profession. Who is the owner of this building? Who is the owner? Who owns it? Okay? Who is the owner of this building? It all depends on how you read. When you read correctly, you will get. So, tick the right word from the bracket. The ship sank and all the sailors were drowned. Columbus discovered America. The prisoner denied the charge. He is not eligible for the post. His dealings are fair. Do not spit on the floor. Freedom is our birthright. All his former friends have left him. Teaching is an honorable profession. Who is the owner of this building?